Irrigation is an artificial application of water to the soil. It is used to assist in the growing of agricultural crops, maintenance of landslides, and revegetation of disturbed soils in dry areas and during periods of inadequate rainfall. Irrigation also has a few other uses in crop production, which include protecting plants against frost, suppressing weed growing in grain fields, and helping in preventing soil consolidation. Surface irrigation. In surface irrigation system, water moves over and across the land by simple gravity flow in order to wet it and to infiltrate into the soil. Surface irrigation can be subdivided into furrow, border strip, or basin irrigation. It is often called flood irrigation when the irrigation results in flooding or near flooding of the cultivated land. Historically, this has been the most common method of irrigating agricultural land. Drip irrigation, also known as trickle irrigation. Water is delivered at or near the root zone of plants drop by drop. This method can be the most water efficient method of irrigation. In modern agriculture, drip irrigation is often combined with plastic mulch, further reducing evaporation, and is also the means of delivery of fertilizer. The process is also known as fertigation. In sprinkler or overhead irrigation, water is piped to one or more central locations within the field and distributed by overhead high-pressure sprinklers or guns. A system utilizing sprinklers, sprays, or gun-mounted overhead on permanently installed rises is often referred to as a solid-set irrigation system. Sub-irrigation, also sometimes called seepage irrigation, has been used for many years in field crops in areas with high water tables. It is a method of artificially raising the water table to allow the soil to be moistened from below the plant root zone. Sub-irrigation is also used in commercial greenhouse production, usually for potted plants. Advantages are water and nutrients conservation and labor saving through lowered system maintenance and automation. It is similar in principle and action to subsurface drip irrigation. Sources of irrigation water can be groundwater extracted from springs or by using wells, surface water withdrawal from rivers, lakes, or reservoirs, or non-conventional sources like treated wastewater, desalinated water, or drainage water. A special form of irrigation using surface water is plate irrigation, also called floodwater harvesting. In case of flood, spilled water is diverted to normally dry river beds using a network of dams, gates, and channels spreading over large areas. The moisture stored in the soil will be used thereafter to grow crops. Spilled irrigation areas are in the particular located in semi-arid or arid mountainous regions. Surface irrigation offers a number of important advantages at both the farm and project level. Because it is so widely utilized, local irrigators generally have at least minimum understanding of how to operate and maintain the system. The second advantage of surface irrigation is that these systems can be developed at the farm level with minimum capital investment. The control and regulation structures are simple, durable, and easily constructed with inexpensive and readily available materials like wood, concrete, brick, and mortar. Another advantage of surface system is that they are less affected by climatic and water quality characteristics. Even moderate winds can seriously reduce the effectiveness of sprinkler system. Surface systems are better able to utilize water supplies that are available less frequently, more uncertain, and more variable in rate and duration. The gravity flow system is a highly flexible, relatively easy managed method of irrigation.